today I am going paddleboarding for the first time.
For what? She's going paddleboarding for the first time.
3 years? I've never been paddleboarding.
2 years.
You only asked me like twice.
Nope. More than enough times. But we here.
The point of the matter is, I've never been paddleboarding. I'm excited. I had my camera, but I honestly kind of forgot the camera, and I wasn't really sure how I was going to do the whole paddleboarding situation because I didn't want to get my camera wet. So this is where we are. Where are we, Darnell?
We're at the White Water Center
in North Carolina. So I'm super excited. And it's super early. It's like 10 o'clock. So super excited. So I have my phone. I'm going to vlog with my phone. And yeah. So stay tuned. Oh, you was about to speak.
I'm talking to you.
Speech.
Some days you want to hit the water, you want to relax, you want to reset before you go into the rest of the day. Or before you go into the rest of the week. So this is your reset. We need this.
I'm excited.
But then it's happening when a whole lot of nerves. She wanted to get on it still. Like, all right, bet, you're going home. And went out there.
Hello, morning. As a vlog. Say hey.
It's me.
Vlogging the whole thing.
Currently at guest services right now. If you keep walking this way, you'll eventually hit a trail right between the river and Sitter and the Wharf, which is the next 2 buildings. If you'll follow that trail, that'll lead you to another trail that has a sign, and it'll lead you to that flat waterfall. And then whenever you get there, you can do either stand-up paddleboarding or you can do kayaking. Or you can do both.
Crazy. Say hi, friends.
Y'all know you want to paddle out? Oh, okay.
So I'm actually standing up, holding my phone. Like, this is where we are. I'm getting left. I need to put my phone up. Darnell's smiling so much, and I'm turning. So I'm about to stop recording so that I can go back. My legs are shaking. But, yeah, no. Let me put my phone up. Alright, so this is what the board looks like. We stopped. It's what the board looked like. It's actually real cute. Pink and green, you know. Look at this cool kid. Not you laying on it like it's a bed.
You gotta be relaxed on these things.
Like, you are a vibe. This is the ambiance.
Damn, a whole vibe.
You look toasty.
Yeah, I'm definitely hot out here. I'm not even gonna hold you.
Ah.
I don't know what happened to that whole storm situation. Been going.
So I'm just gliding on the board. I'm kind of happy that I did this because I'm not gonna say I usually don't do stuff outside of my element, but I've noticed that sometimes I make myself scared to try new things, and that has hindered me. Yeah, so Darnell's over there asleep. He a pro at this. What was I about to say? So yeah, I feel like I have psyched myself out from doing a lot of different stuff because of the thought of it was scary. And I told myself I'm not doing that no more. We're gonna try this stuff.
When you jump in the water, you're missing it.
I don't know if I like that. I'm growing and he's being very patient, and I love that. He's trying to swim towards so he can hear what I'm saying. This is actually kind of fun. And it's crazy because, like, you can really do a lot of stuff in North Carolina. Like, my friend was saying, like, there's a lot of stuff that you can do right here in the U.S. And I underestimated a lot of stuff because I get so scared. But, yeah, I'm not doing that anymore. We trying everything. If I can get on the back of a jet ski, if I can do, like, the tubing where you get on the back of the boat and you hold onto the tube, like, I can literally do anything for real. Like, this is a good little vlog. This is very relaxing. Look at Darnell. I was so scared. I don't know what I thought was just so terrifying. It's very relaxing, very soothing. The weather is perfect. Like, it's not super, super hot. Like, it's hot, but it's not crazy hot. It's a vloggy vlog. I'm vlogging my first time paddleboarding.
Hi guys, so today we're at the U.S. National Whitewater Center in Charlotte, North Carolina, where we just went paddleboarding and now we're about to eat right beside Whitewater.
Yay! I'm excited. So you guys, I made it home. It is like 8 o'clock. I almost forgot to record this last part, which is really crazy. But I do have a headache. I'm not really sure why because I ate today. But it could just be that I'm tired and I have been doing a lot today. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I had to vlog on my phone because I was scared to bring my freaking vlog camera because I was not trying to drop it in the water because I've never been paddleboarding before. But if you have never been paddleboarding, you should definitely try it, either here domestically or internationally, don't matter. But yeah, that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be sure to turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my next video. I am excited. I love you, and I cannot wait to see y'all next time.